Accessible and responsive to the needs of the public, in 2013, the Supreme Court of India delivered a landmark judgment in the case of Lalita Kumari v. Govt. of U.P. This case addressed the crucial issue of the mandatory registration of FIRs, First Information Reports, in cases of cognizable offenses. The case arose when Lalita Kumari, a young woman, approached law enforcement alleging that her daughter had been abducted. To her dismay, the police initially refused to file her complaint, leading her to seek judicial intervention. The Supreme Court's ruling underscored the importance of women's protection and the state's duty to ensure justice. The court observed that the police could not deny filing an FIR based merely on preconceived notions or personal biases. It emphasized that the right to register an FIR is a fundamental aspect of access to justice, especially for women, who often face societal hurdles when they seek legal recourse. The court's judgment made it clear that a police officer possesses no discretion to refuse registration in cognizable cases. In its judgment, the court clarified that the police must register an FIR when the information received discloses a cognizable offense. Furthermore, if the police officer has reasons to doubt the credibility of the complaint, an inquiry can follow after the FIR is lodged. This pivotal decision significantly changed the landscape of police accountability and action in India, particularly concerning cases related to women's safety and rights. Furthermore, this ruling created an environment where victims felt more empowered to report crimes. It prompted police departments across India to revisit their protocols to ensure compliance with the law. The judgment also served as an important reminder of the responsibility law enforcement holds toward vulnerable populations, including women facing violence and harassment. Ultimately, the Lalita Kumari case epitomizes the ongoing struggle for justice and equality in India. By mandating the registration of FIRs, the Supreme Court contributed to a more survivor-centric approach in the criminal justice system. This landmark ruling not only established important legal principles but also provided hope to countless individuals seeking redress in the face of adversity. It marked a significant stride toward ensuring that the right to seek justice is not a privilege, but a right guaranteed to all citizens, irrespective of gender. Did you know that the Lalita Kumari case was a landmark judgment that established the mandatory registration of FIRs in India for cognizable offenses? It changed the way police handle complaints across the country. Today we're going to dive into the details of this significant case and explore its far-reaching implications. The Lalita Kumari v. Govt. of U.P. case is a leading example of how the judiciary can impact the functioning of the police and the criminal justice system as a whole. In 2013, the Supreme Court's decision in this case laid down guidelines for the registration of First Information Reports, common